Hi, I'm Karen. In this video today, I'm going to be reviewing both of these mascaras right here. These are from L'Oreal. These are the Voluminous Lash Paradise. One is waterproof and one is not. And the way you can tell the difference is from the sparkles on the top. That one is the waterproof one. Why this video? Well, first off, I'm gonna say I was running out of mascara and I decided to go to the store, and I went to Walgreens and I was talking to the beauty department person, the person who works in the beauty department. There you go, that's the word. All right, and she recommended this one and this one right here. The other one is the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber, and it has a 1 and 2 step, and you see the numbers right on there. Now, I actually do like this mascara. I have no beef with it. It's also waterproof. I can't remember how easily it comes off, but I use this one so much more that, yeah, but this one does also look pretty. It's just a 2-step process. So the question is, are you the type of person that's usually in a rush? If you are, you might not like this 2-step process, but it does work. It does. This, I need to probably do a whole nother video on it, but it does, and I need to be using it up. The one in question, initially, the first one, initially I got the waterproof one. I love the way it looks on my lashes, but I hate the way it does not come off my lashes. I very much dislike it. Returned it. When I got this one, it just doesn't behave like this one. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna go back to the store. I went and purchased it. I'm gonna review them together today. That's what we're doing in this video. I also got a tip from another viewer. I'm gonna add her name right over here. She recommended that I should use micellar water to remove mascara. But I am gonna be testing it out to remove the waterproof one, not just the regular one. I've been struggling with that, and I had posted that comment out there, and she responded, and I'm grateful. Thank you, thank you. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna curl my lashes because my lashes point downward, and I'm not, no. We're trying to avoid wearing lashes. So, especially when I'm in a rush, I just don't have, and I don't need to be showing up looking like a glamour queen. I'm already like looking extra going to work. Let me say that part. Did I leave that out? Did I leave that part out? That's important. All right, there we go. We're ready. And I want to say that, like, if you're not using something to help you with your lashes and your lashes point down, or you have baby lashes, get an eyelash curler. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. All right, so this is the brush right here for this mascara. And you know what's funny? I was watching some video yesterday. Gosh, I can't remember which one it was. And they were talking about this mascara, and people were just like, yeah, how much they dislike it. Because they're like, oh, it doesn't work for me, and then the whole clumpiness and the eyelash sticking together, and then you wanted to put on mascara the next day, same one, and now it's really clumping together because it didn't come off the night before. Too much. And I wish I would find my other mascara tool that I had, and I don't know where it is. I used to have this mascara tool that you could like cover it over your eye and like try to stop it from touching. It just seemed like such an extra step, and sometimes I can be such a person that doesn't want to take extra steps. There you go. I'm not gonna speak against myself. This is why I like this mascara. Y'all see this? This is my one coat so far. Looking like I have false lashes on. I should have did this before I curled the other lash. Look at this. Let me zoom in. This is what I love about this mascara. Game changer. Yeah, I should have left the other lash down so you could have seen the difference. Anyway, let's move on to the other one. We're gonna be using the regular one that's not waterproof. I don't know if, like, I don't know. maybe they look the same, but I feel like this one, I don't know, maybe it's like more wet versus this one seems more dry. I don't know, and like that makes it more separate, so it makes my lashes look fuller. I I don't know. Yeah, see, look, there it goes. It's doing it. It's weighing it down, and I don't know because it's more of a liquid. You know what I mean? Like it's just more liquidy. It's weighing these lashes down. Yeah, this was up a little bit, but now it's weighing down. Look at this one. This one is looking like some fluffy fake eyelashes. Yeah, I knew it wasn't me because I'm like, You can even see I can see the difference here. This is up in the air. This is leaning down. It's got weighed down by the liquid. That's interesting. I knew it wasn't me because like every time I put on this waterproof one, when I initially got it, I was like, man, this thing looks bomb. Like no reason to have to wear fake lashes. And I've been struggling with my lashes for a moment. I didn't think I could ever get it to look like this. I know a lot of people don't like it, but maybe, like I said, you're curling your lashes. Some people may not be doing that, you know? I wasn't doing that before. And are you actually like combing? See, I'm using the tip. I'm not using the whole thing. So like comb through and coat each one instead of using the whole. Look at this thing. This is redunculous. Oh my gosh, this is life-changing, but taking it off is also life-changing. But man, like, if you don't know how to put on lashes, you need to know how to do mascara. Unless you have really short. But even then, I thought I had really short lashes. But what it is my lashes also point downward as well, so it really looks like I have none. Help your little friends, curl them up, and then you need to use a waterproof mascara. Because regular mascara in general, what I've noticed, it's too liquidy. It weighs my lashes down and then it looks like I have this busy eyeshadow look on with no lashes. All right, this one is the regular. You know what? I have not been wearing this on my lower lash for like daytime looks. I've just been enjoying doing the top lashes because I felt like doing the top lash, it stood out so much. It looked like I was wearing fake lashes because it wasn't in competition with the lower lash being long as well, if that makes sense. So I actually been enjoying it, but we're doing a review here, so you can't do a mascara review and not do your lower lashes. That's just crazy talk. All right, so that's the bottom one. Yeah, like I said, this is quite watery. Let me go ahead and put the other one on now. That should be dry by now. And maybe that's another thing to consider if you are wearing mascara and you're not giving it time to dry in between. You're literally weighing your lashes down and it still looks like you have nothing. So don't be that much in a rush. I mean, putting on mascara really is an art. I think mascara and brows are like the two things you cannot rush through. Otherwise, you would look a hot mess. You just can't. I think I'm gonna do this more often. Like when mascaras come out, like do the regular and the waterproof, because I did not even realize this. The difference is crazy. Like this little spider webby type of action going on here, and then this one still looks nice and natural. I could even still put a third coat on this. I usually just do two. I don't go beyond that. But I don't think that's necessary. That's when you start messing up stuff. Alright, let's do the cleanup. I just did one coat on the bottom. I don't want another coat. Because I'm gearing to. One thing I will note about the waterproof when removing it is the waterproof is a little bit more difficult to come off. I noticed that the first time I used this. Not liking that clumpy look, so let me get some stronger because that's doing nothing. I'm just trying to see if I can remove some of these like clustered looking activities, separate it because they are stuck together. I'm not feeling the whole creepy spider leg looking activity clustered. Alright. And maybe there's some of you who like the clustered look. I just feel like, okay, if I can avoid the clustered look and still have the length and the fullness, why get that when you can have this? But my issue with this is how it comes off. So I'm gonna wait till I get back home and I'm gonna film removing it, and I'm gonna be testing this out. But if you've used this mascara, I would love for you to comment down below like what your experience was. And I mean, when I say I saw loads of comments, and this video had nothing to do with this mascara. Yeah, it had nothing to do with it. I just think people were in there commenting and somehow it jumped onto that. And I was like, that's interesting. Matter of fact, I think she was talking about overhyped products. That's what it was. She was talking about overhyped products, and it was Rachel Love. And that was one of the products that got mentioned down in the comments. Like, interesting. I was like, wow, a lot of people have issues with this. It wasn't just me. So it totally makes sense. But it's a game changer. The question is, which one are you using and what are you doing prior to using it? Right now it is 9:13 in the morning, so I'm gonna come back here. It's probably gonna be closer to midnight by the time I get here to remove this eye makeup and see how that goes with that. And maybe that'll help somebody out there who is like totally struggling with removing this waterproof mascara. I love it. It's a game changer, but that whole you don't come off when I take off the rest of my makeup, and the next day I try to put you on and then you still stuck, and then you clumping, and then my eyelashes looking like this one right here. No. 12 hours later. No, seriously. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm using this Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. It says it removes even waterproof mascara. I will say this, it does take the makeup off. This was the makeup side here. And then now, well, I mean, me trying more so to wipe off this stuff. I mean, it is coming out. Like, this stuff is no joke to try to wash off. Sheesh. That's why I was like, there's gotta be a better way than this, because I just, I still do feel just a little bit in there. Let me try to take off this one. It does, like the eye makeup, I will say it comes straight off with this stuff. Of course, this one's not waterproof, so I'm gonna grab a second clean one. That's what came off. It's not bad. It worked. Oh my gosh, it worked. Alright, so this actually worked to come off. To take off the waterproof mascara. I am actually surprised. I mean, I should have timed this. I mean, the timer here says I'm in 3 minutes, 14 seconds, so yeah. Oh, and it feels nice and soft. It's not stiff with mascara. Yeah, it's nice and soft. It's not clumpy. So you know, you can wash it, you can feel the clumps or whatever. So this stuff actually worked. Oh my gosh, this stuff worked. It really did what it said it was gonna do. That's exciting. All right, that's the end of this video. I gotta wash my face off, moisturize, and then go to bed. Oh, the ColourPop did great. Yeah. I look forward to trying some other colors now. Yeah, I can't wait. So man, wash my face, go to sleep. Good night, folks. Till next time. Thanks for watching. I'm looking at the wrong lens. That shows you how tired I am. All right. Bye.